Hi everybody! So today I'm going to be showing you how I use my traditional copper alembic still to make a beautiful aromatic floral water using some gorgeous orange peel and also some cinnamon bark and some other beautiful spices. So what I have done here is I have set up my still. I'm running some steam through it and through the column at the moment just to clean all of my pipes so that when I do make this floral water, I know that I'm not infusing it with any previous oils that may have been held in the still. So first thing I want to do is remove my minaret and this column and bring this still down. We'll be adding in our beautiful orange peel and our spices, and we'll be getting the still going. I'll just show you my setup here. There is a gas bottle here that comes in to my little gas burner, which is, I'll just put the brand in there. This is a really cool one. I've got this sitting on Hebel, which is heat resistant, and I'm able to do this outside today because it's absolutely perfect, no wind. So my big pot here is full of water up to around about this level here, and then we have the condenser bucket, and I have a feed that comes down going in here to this little pump, which is actually like a fish tank pump. And what it's doing is it is pumping water from there all the way up this pipe, which has a little regulator here so I can control how much water is going in and out of the still at any time. My water is coming in here, and as it comes up, it's warmer at the top, it's colder, very cold down here, which is what helps to create the steam. The excess water we want to flow out of this pipe here, and that's just trickling down into my garden. So you can control how much water comes into this bucket to keep it nice and cool, and that helps to condense it as it goes down the coils in here, and it will come out into our beaker. So for this floral water, I'm using some beautiful fresh oranges, full orange peel. Thanks for the young men that peeled this for me. And this is all ready to go. The colour's so pretty. The cinnamon bark will add a nice warm spicy depth to this hot floral water, and it's going to be an absolutely beautiful smell. We're also going to be adding in some natural dried cloves, so this is going to be adding another flavoured note to the floral water. Then I have some star anise in here, which is another beautiful spice, a tiny little bit of green cardamom. So the combination of all of these beautiful spices and combined with the citrus of the orange is going to make a fabulous floral water. So firstly, what I want to do is I'm going to be placing my orange peel into the water, which has already previously been boiling. So we'll pop that in there. This looks so beautiful. Okay, so we're going to add 50 grams of cinnamon bark. There's 50 grams of cloves. I just love the smell of this so much. There's probably 20 grams of star anise and 5 grams of green cardamom. So we're going to pop those in as well. Okay, so just going to give that a nice stir so that we're mixing all of those beautiful. Oh, it just smells so good. Now we've got all of our orange peel and our cinnamon and our spices. And here what I'm going to do is put my minaret dome back on. We're going to push that down nice and firm and connect this back up to the condenser. So what I want to do now is just put a little bit of this high temp tape just around that join to seal that steam in so that we don't lose any of our beautiful floral water through any little steam pockets that might pop out in that join. So we're all set up now, and I have turned my gas up. Currently we're on 80 degrees and we want to get up to 100 before we start to see the steam come through the condenser. I've put a little cloth on my beaker, and this will keep any dust and dirt out of the hydrosol water that we'll be collecting. As the water heats in here, the steam is rising up through the orange peel, the cinnamon and all of the spices, and it's carrying the essential oils and the aromatic smells into right round up through the minaret, down through the swan's neck, into the condenser. The steam is cooled in the condenser and collected as a fragrant floral water, also known as hydrosol. This is where the magic happens. The fresh citrusy top notes of the orange will blend beautifully with the warm spice of the cinnamon and the cloves and the star anise, just as a subtle little twist on these flavours. Alright, so we're all set up now. What we've got is our steam is starting to come up through here into our condenser, and we've got some beautiful floral water starting to drip out into our beaker here. So it's just a matter of time now while we wait, and we'll collect as much of this floral water as we can before I transfer it over into its little bottles. So yeah. You can actually see some of the oil on top of this hydrosol, and that will be from the orange peel. It's coming out really well. The thermometer is on just over 100 degrees, which is perfect temperature for this distillation. He's come to help today. You love steam distillation, don't you, Ted? Oh, look at the colour of that floral water that's coming out. It looks divine. I'm so excited when I get to put this in the bottles. Here we go here. So I've got all my bottles. These are 30ml glass bottles. I've transferred some of this beautiful floral water here into this beaker, and then over into my little essential oil separator, and this is also what I use to fill the bottle. I hope you enjoyed watching this video today. It's a beautiful way to work with some oranges and get those citrus notes along with the beautiful cinnamon. I have bottled up around about 100 spray bottles, so these will be going out to a conference as a corporate gift. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to write in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to know, and also like and subscribe for more cool videos next time I do a distillation. Thanks for watching everybody, and see you next time.